hungry. What is for lunch?
I have got some yummy fruit and vegetable salad.
No, I won't eat pizza and chips, please.
Hey Aisha, why you want to eat this greasy and unhealthy food? Look at us. We are much better for you.
I am pizza and I know everybody likes to eat me. Whom do I listen?
Well, pizza and other junk food are the best to eat as they don't contain the nutrients you need to get through the day.
I didn't know that.
It is much better to eat us as we are full of vitamins and other nutrients which our body needs to stay